Hi, dear friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a story for you, how to use new vocabulary in your speech. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Let's get started. Hi, I'm Zain, and I want to share my story about how I mastered using new vocabulary in my English speaking. It's been a journey filled with discovery, practice, and a lot of interesting experiences. It all started one bright morning when I decided to visit the Enchanted Library in our city of Linguaville. This place is famous for its vast collection of books and magical resources. As I walked through the grand doors of the library, I felt a sense of excitement. I was greeted by Mr. Lexicon, an old librarian with a wealth of knowledge about words. "Welcome, Zain," he said with a warm smile. To effectively use new vocabulary, you must first understand it deeply. Start by reading extensively. Choose books, articles, and stories that interest you. As you encounter new words, jot them down in your vocabulary journal. Write their meanings, synonyms, antonyms, and example sentences. Taking his advice to heart, I spent hours in the library, immersing myself in different genres, from thrilling mysteries to enchanting fantasies. I discovered that context played a crucial role in understanding how words are used. Slowly, my vocabulary journal was filled with fascinating new words. Armed with my vocabulary journal, I ventured to the practice garden, a vibrant place where language enthusiasts gathered to practice speaking. The garden was full of colorful flowers and buzzing with activity. There, I met a friendly group of people who were eager to help each other improve. "Practice is key," said Elena, a member of the group. "Start by using new words in simple sentences. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel." I joined in their daily conversations, trying out new words I'd learned. At first, it felt awkward, but with time and consistent practice, I began to feel more confident. I also found it helpful to use new words in different contexts, which made them stick better in my memory. One day, while exploring the practice garden, I stumbled upon the feedback fountain. It was a beautiful marble fountain with crystal clear water, and it was said that the fountain provided constructive feedback to anyone who sought it. Curiosity piqued, I approached the fountain and spoke a few sentences using my new vocabulary. To my surprise, the fountain responded with a gentle voice, "Zain, your efforts are commendable. However, remember to pay attention to pronunciation and intonation." Using vocabulary correctly also means pronouncing words accurately and fitting them naturally into your speech. Taking this advice to heart, I started recording myself speaking. I listened to the recordings, noting areas where I could improve. I also asked my friends and mentors for feedback, which helped me refine my speaking skills further. Feeling more confident, I decided it was time to venture beyond the practice garden and Enchanted Library. I took every opportunity to speak with native English speakers, whether it was at the local market, during community events, or through online language exchange programs. During these real-world interactions, I noticed something interesting. People responded positively when I used new vocabulary correctly. It not only enhanced my communication but also made conversations more engaging. I learned that using body language and facial expressions helped convey my message more effectively, making the new words come alive. One memorable interaction was at a local festival. I met a group of tourists and struck up a conversation with them. I used several new words I had recently learned, and the tourists were impressed with my vocabulary. We chatted for hours, exchanging stories and experiences. This real-world practice boosted my confidence immensely. After months of diligent practice and real-world application, I decided to take a break at the Reflection Retreat, a serene place where learners reflected on their journey. The retreat was nestled in the mountains, surrounded by lush greenery and tranquil streams. There, I met Sage Sophia, a wise woman known for her insights on language learning. Zain, she said, with a calm and soothing voice, reflecting on your progress is crucial. Celebrate your achievements, but also identify areas for continuous improvement. Set new goals and keep challenging yourself. I took her advice to heart. I reviewed my vocabulary journal, noting the words I had mastered and those I still needed to work on. I set new goals, such as learning idiomatic expressions and phrasal verbs, and continued my practice with renewed enthusiasm. During my time at the Reflection Retreat, I met a retired professor named Dr. Harper. Dr. Harper had spent his life studying languages and was known for his wisdom. Zain, he said, to truly master vocabulary, you must immerse yourself in the language. Watch movies, listen to music, and read extensively. Engage with the culture behind the language. This will give you a deeper understanding and help you use words more naturally. Inspired by Dr. Harper's wisdom, I started watching English movies and TV shows. I listened to English music and read newspapers and magazines. I even joined an online book club where members discussed novels in English. This immersion helped me grasp the nuances of the language and use new vocabulary with greater ease. With my newfound skills, I felt ready to help others. I decided to start a language club in Linguaville, where people could come together to learn and practice English. I shared my journey and the strategies I had used to master vocabulary. The club became a huge success. People from all walks of life joined, eager to improve their English. My story inspired them, and my practical tips helped them incorporate new words into their speech. We practiced speaking, gave each other feedback, and celebrated our progress together. Years passed, and my dedication paid off. I became a fluent English speaker, confidently using a rich vocabulary in my conversations. I even started teaching others, sharing my journey and tips on how to effectively use new words. My story spread throughout Linguaville, inspiring countless others to embark on their own vocabulary adventures. They learned that the key to using new vocabulary in speaking lay in understanding, practice, feedback, real-world application, and reflection. And so, the city of Linguaville flourished with eloquent speakers, each with their own unique vocabulary journey, thanks to the determined efforts of one young man named Zain. By incorporating these strategies into your own learning routine, you too can master the art of using new vocabulary in your speaking. Happy learning, and may your vocabulary journey be as enriching and exciting as mine. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this story and found it inspiring, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my channel for more stories and tips on learning English. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to continue this adventure together.